Next is keep your room clean. We should keep our room clean. How we can keep our room clean? By following the given things. Okay, first one is sharp your pencil in the dustbin. We should sharp our pencil in the dustbin. Okay, throw the garbage in the dustbin. We should throw the garbage in the dustbin. Garbage means waste thing. Next is put your toys back in their right place. We should put the toys on our right place. They should not be scattered here and there on the floor. If they are placed here and there in the floor, you can fell down, okay, because of that. So we should keep the toys back at their right places. Next is keep your books back in their place. We should keep our books back in their place, that is in bookshelves or in your bags or in your table, cupboard, anywhere you can keep, okay, but they should be at their right place. Next is some don'ts, some things which we should not do. First one is do not pick your nose in the classroom. We should not put the finger in our nose in the classroom or anywhere else. Okay, do not lick your fingers after eating. We should not lick the fingers after eating. Okay, next is do not spit on the floor. We should not spit out on the floor. Okay, next is do not bite your nails. We should not bite our nails. Okay, next is do not write on the floor walls. We should not write on the walls, it is a bad habit. Next is do not waste food and water. We should not waste the food and water. Like, see, the boy is throwing the food in the dustbin. We should not waste the food and water. So in this chapter we have read about the things which we should do, which are healthy to us, and other things which we should not do, which are bad manners. Okay, so we should all adopt the good manners in our life and avoid to the bad habits. Okay.